What's up guys, welcome to Rescue Code. Now what is Fibonacci series? So you can see in the screen the series in which the last term is the sum of two preceding terms. If you see 13 is the sum of 5 and 8. This 13 is the sum of its two preceding terms. Similarly, if you see 8, it is the sum of 3 plus 5, two preceding terms. Similarly, 2, it is the sum of two preceding terms, 1 plus 1. This 1 is the sum of its two preceding. So we have first preceding number 1 and next preceding number we assume 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 and this series always starts from 1. So next term will be the sum of 13 and 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. So now we will write a program in C that will display these Fibonacci. Let's start. First we have to declare some variables. So int a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to 1 and I. Okay, so now we will ask the value for n. Enter the value of n. Okay, now scanf %d address of n. Okay, now it's the time for starting a loop. So for I equals to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so in this case we are going to write a program that will print Fibonacci series up to nth term. So I have wrote here n. So if you have predefined number of terms, then you can write the number of terms here only. Printf %d/t comma c will print the value of c. We have value a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to 1. We will do here c equals to a plus b. So same thing we will write in code, c equals to a plus b. Okay, this will add the content of a and b, 0 plus 1, and that is equals to 1. In next line we will write a equals to b, b equals to c. Okay, now let's see what this code will do here. Next line is a equals to b, next line is b equal to c. Okay, now look here. So first the value of c is printed in this line. Print %d/c means the value of c is 1 currently, so 1 is printed here. Let's erase this all first. Okay, 1 is printed. Now we have brought here c equals to a plus b, so current value of a and b is 0 and 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Now the content of c becomes 1 and a equals to b. Currently the value of b is 1, so the value of a is also 1 now. And next is b equals to c. B equals to the current value of c is 1, so now b will be also equals to 1 here. Now in next loop again printf %d/c, so again the value of c will be printed. C is 1, so now 1 will be printed here again. After the first loop the value of a is 1 and b is also 1. A plus b, a is 1, b is 1, so it will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And a equals to b, the current value of b is 1, a will be equals to 1 only. And b equal to c, the current value of c is almost 2, because in this line the value of c is 2, so here will be also 2. Now b equal to c means now the value of b will be also 2. Now in next loop again printf %d/c, again the value of c will be printed. The value of c is 2 here, so now 2 will be printed here. In this way, in every line, in every loop, the preceding two terms will be added and will be displayed. Now in next line 2 plus 1 will be 3, so 3 is printed. In next line 3 plus 2 is 5, so 5 is printed. So in this way our Fibonacci series will be printed. Okay, now let's run this program. First we will try to display 5 terms. So I have entered 5, enter 1 2 3 4, only 4 is printed. Now what is the error here? I is less than n, here it should be equals to also, so equals to. Again compile and run. Okay, again I will enter 5, so you can see here 5 Fibonacci series is printed. Try to print 10 Fibonacci series. Enter here 10, so now you can see that Fibonacci series up to 10th term is printed here. So in this way you can write a simple C program that will print Fibonacci series of up to nth term. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.